Hello. Well, this is gonna be the third time. Wait. Stay. Hi. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is a moringa tree that I started here 2.5 years ago. And I keep cutting the moringa down. It's been cut down twice. It's a moringa bush. And what I'm gonna do again now is I'm gonna cut it back again and add it to the moringa powder or moringa leaves that I've changed into a powder. And I've been using this as I go as just a spoonful. Just take it down with some water. And this moringa, like I said in my other videos, has a lot of benefits, a lot of health benefits. So for this cut, this time we're going to cut a little ways up. About here would be the first cut. This is going to be hung to dry. Then this one will be cut right here, like that. And these two branches will be set inside, hung upside down to dry and put together with the other powder. But I had a lot more than what you see right here, but I've been using it. And then you can also make it into capsules, and I do that, but for this video, it's just eating moringa the way it is. And you can give it to your dog food, just sprinkle it into his food. Maybe you'll go for it, maybe you won't. This guy that's sitting right here, he's a pretty particular eater. Right, Harley? And he's watching me right now, and he's saying, I don't know what he's saying, but I don't think he's going to be eating any moringa leaves for a while. And then there's one other cut you can do right here, just to generate another set of branches. So there we go for this video, and I'll show you inside. We'll continue inside to show you what I've been doing with moringa as far as making capsules with it. Right, Harley? More later. I can't do that over.